So I am in the color page right now, and now let's understand how the color wheel works. So over here you can see that if I were to go around onto the color wheel option right here, that is the primaries color wheel, then you can see that I have option to work around with lift, gamma, gain, and offset right here. So those are the options that you have in the primaries color wheels right here. So if I were to go around and change around the lift, you can go around and click and drag around the lift, as you can see right here. It changes out the darker part of the image, as you can see, just like this. So this is the footage right here. And if I were to go around and click and drag this out, you can see that the darker portions, you can see that the bottom portion right here is changing out much more. So it affects the darker areas right here. If I were to go around onto gain right here, then what happens is that the topmost part are affected. That means the highlights, that is the bright part of the video right here, that is the footage right here, gets changed out. So I can go around and make the bright part more red right here, and the dark part, let's say for example more blue, to get that effect right here, as you can see. So this is what the video footage turns out like right here. So you get to the sweet spot that you want right here. You can click and drag around according to how you want, and then work around with it according to how you want right there. So you can go around right here, and then you can see that this is what you have. You can also hold shift on your keyboard and click right here in different places, as you can see, to quickly move to that particular section, or you can click and drag right here to change around, let's say gradually right here as well. So similarly, you got the gamma right here. So if I were to click and drag around, then the middle areas right here, that is the mid-tones, that is the color spectrum with it, which isn't too bright or dark, that gets changed out right here. And this is how you work around with color correction. You get the color and get the feel that you want. Offset right here affects the overall colors right here, no matter if it is dark or bright. And you can see that the overall color spectrum actually changes as I drag this around, but they are not squeezed, or they are not like squeezed or stressed as when I work around with gain, gamma, or lift right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around. So here you can also move out the individual color channels, like green, as you can see right here. You can push this and pull this out right here according to how you want right here, just like that as well. So you can go around and utilize the wheel to work around with the brightness, as you can see, for the gamma, for the lift, that is for the dark part right here, and for the highlights, that is the bright part over here as well, to push it out over here as well. So you can use these wheels right here to increase the overall brightness, decrease it. You can work around with gain to actually increase this. You can work around with lift right here, and according to how you want, you can change out the footage to be how you like it. And that is how you can go around and then work around with color wheels inside of Davinci Resolve. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.